right, good morning for this Thursday, September 25th. And we are looking at the ISRG, Intuitive Surgical, from yesterday. And if you recall, I pointed this stock out to you because I thought that the market was going to rally quite a bit. And we had the perfect setup. As you see in this chart, the market pulled down beautifully right into support, right? This hot pink line, which is the 50 exponential moving average on a big down day, the prior day right here, right? And then we got this inside pattern. So the market started to coil up, right? Started to consolidate here on that one single bar. It really contracted. And the signal to go long was when the market broke up through the 457.86. Now I outlined an option trade on this as well. So the trigger point on this trade was the 458.06, right? 20 cents above 457.86 is 458.06. The market opened up at 458.20 and immediately pulled back down to your entry and then did nothing else but rally the rest of the day. Let's take a look at a 3-minute intraday chart of this trade. All right, now here, this is where the market opened, right? On this bar right here, this big bar right here, opened up at 458.20 and then immediately traded down to 456 and change, rallied up to this high, and then you had plenty of time. If you weren't quick enough to enter, or I told you to enter, or to enter that option trade, right, that I outlined for you yesterday, you had plenty of time because the market came down off the initial high here and consolidated for about a half hour, okay, before breaking up through. Because remember, the buy point here, the technical buy point, was 458.06, which was right in this area. Okay, so we had a lot of time where the market traded below that area to try to position yourself to get long. All right, and as you can see, when the market broke up through that, we had a nice run up to 65. Had a 7-point run from that entry of 458.08, right? Ran up to this level here and pulled back, bounced, and then made even a new high here before settling out and closing at about 465.75. Okay, so that was a really nice trade. Again, what you need to focus in on here is looking for those markets that coil up. You know, very similar to what Doc's talking about in his videos. Okay, the fractal energy trading. So if you have not watched any of Doc's videos or his current video where he's opened up his mentoring program on the fractal energy trading, I urge you to go to Fractal, to spell it out, Fractal, Fractal Energy, to spell it out, energytrading.com. Okay, so that's ISRG. That was a really nice trade. If you're in this trade, you want a lot. You should have taken off some profits for sure, and you should be locking in a couple points from here, okay? One other really quick trade that I want to point out, very similar to the ISRG, but you got 2 consecutive days where the market's contracted, right? You have an inside pattern here, and then another inside pattern right here, okay? All of this is occurring at a support level, right? Again, what's the support level? The support level is that hot pink line, which happens to be the 50 exponential moving average, okay? So I believe there's a nice setup here. Remember, setups are different than triggers to actually get you in the market, right? This is a setup. The trigger to get long is for the market to penetrate up through 43.09 to 43.19. 43.19 would be my buy. Okay, so even if the low is broken first and then it reverses up through the high, I'd be long with the stop below the intraday low. Okay, if the market takes out the high first and gets me long at 43.19, my stop then would go below the 41.65 to 41.55 or 41.45. Okay, hope that helps. Let's make some money today. And again, if you have not yet watched Doc's videos on the fractal energy trading, I definitely urge you to go there. Just go to fractalenergytrading.com. Have a profitable day, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye.